Hey guys, it's Dr. Potter. It's been a minute. So many things are happening. Some of them I'm going to share with you soon. I was in New York this last week doing something really meaningful, and I think it was a important thing, and I want to share it with you soon. Tonight I'm checking in on patients and just wanted to give a huge shout out to nurses everywhere. We've done 6 deep so far this week, and I go home and sleep at night, and the nurses on the floor are taking great care of our patients while I'm getting my rest. And tonight, one of the machines that monitors blood flow wasn't working well, and so they troubleshot that and fixed it, and I stopped in just to make sure that all was well, and it was. And I also thank them for doing everything right up until the last second of their shift, right? And I just wanted to say, none of this runs without nurses. None of this works without them. And I'm so grateful to them. And their care of patients at the bedside in person is absolutely essential to everything that I do. Cheers.